Hello, good morning, and welcome to our live Pilates in Pajamas class if you're watching live, and welcome to the recording if you're watching this later. Today we are going to do simple, easy to follow exercises to relieve low back pain. You don't need any special equipment for today's session except a soft surface to lay on. You can use your carpet, but if you have a yoga mat, please grab your yoga mat now because we are about to begin our very short 13-minute session today. My name is Betka and I'm an evidence-based back pain specialist here in Dallas, Texas. Welcome here. If you're struggling with back pain, this is your channel because all of my sessions are designed for people with back pain. So subscribe now, move within your pain tolerance, and let's begin together on our hands and knees today. And thank you so much for being here with me. I so appreciate you. Okay, so separate your knees hip distance apart. You're gonna have your knees right under your hips and you're gonna have your hand right under your shoulders. And then from here, we are going to push our t-shirt all the way up to the ceiling. We're gonna drop our head down, look between our legs. And then now we are going to drop it down and now we are going to look up. And then again, push your t-shirt all the way up to the sky. Drop your t-shirt back down and then look up. And then just keep moving within your limit. Very good. I would love to hear where you are watching from, so let me know in the comments. Very good. And let's do a couple of more. So since our discs are less vascularized, which means there is no blood flow like in our bones, we really need to move it so they can get nourishment. Okay, so that's why they actually recommend movement for people with chronic back pain. Okay, within your pain tolerance. So that's the clinical guidelines. Okay, two more. And then one more. Beautiful. And then from here, we're going to have our knees together and feet together. And now we are going to drop the pelvis to one side. We're going to look to the opposite direction. And then we're going to move to the other side. So we are just moving side to side. So in our every session, we are moving our spine in every direction possible. So you get relief and you're gonna have hopefully a pain-free day. Very good. Now we have a couple of options here. If you've been here with me for a while, you can actually open one knee up to the sky and that opens up your pelvis as well. Or you have the option to kick up to the sky as well. That's a little bit more a load for your back as well. But again, if it feels good, why not? Just give it a try. Good. And this was the last one. And now we are going to sit back on our heels. We're going to stretch. Now, I always say that if your knee is not happy to sit all the way back towards your heels, I have an option for you. You can stay on top of your knees and just lower your chest down. Now from here, we are going to rise up and we are going to send our waistband down towards the mat, towards the floor. And now we're going to look up. Now, many of my clients with this movement, they feel more pain in their low back. Now, if the pain is tolerable, you can keep going. However, if the pain stops you and it doesn't feel good, you don't have to lower all the way down. So find that range where you don't feel the pain as much, okay? And just move within that range. And this is why there is no one-size-fits-all solution. There is no one-size-fits exercise for people with back pain because everyone's pain level is different. And everyone's life is different as well. Sleep patterns, okay? So these are also really important. Now let's do two more here. You have the option to lift your knees off the floor. Again, we are challenging your body with that because that's more a load for your back. But with graded exercise, we would like to make you stronger and your body. Very good. 2 more. And then 1 more. And now we are going to lay down on our belly. Very good. Have your arms hovering by your hips. And now we are going to lift the chest up and then lower the chest back down. Lift the chest and lower the chest. Now you have the option to have your hands right in front of your forehead. That makes it a little bit more challenging. Again, we want to challenge your body, and if that's not enough, you can always have your arms out straight in front of you. You can also lift your legs as well. If 2 legs too much, you can lift just 1 leg at a time. Again, pick the version your body prefers today. We rather do it gradually and consistently. So intensity is not as important as showing up here with me every day. And this is exactly why I started this program, because when you're dealing with chronic back pain, it's not about the intensity, it's about consistent movement to move your spine. Okay, 1 more. Beautiful. Now we're gonna stretch that a little bit. Have your hands right in front of your shoulders. Now we are going to lift our chest off the floor and then lower back down. Now, if that's not feasible for you, not a problem. Keep your forearms down and then just lift the chest and then lower the chest. And then lift and lower. But if you're happy with it, lift all the way up and then lower back down. Nice. And then just keep moving. Very good. Let's do 2 more. You can even look up. And then 1 more. Very good. Push back onto your heels. Again, if you can, just stay on top of your knees and lower your chest down. Okay, take a breath in, and then as you exhale, slowly sit all the way back up. Beautiful. And now we are going to lay down on our back a little bit. Good. So lay down on your back. And then first, we are just going to tilt our pelvis. And then you see when we are tilting the pelvis, we are altering the shape of our lower back, our lumbar spine. So naturally, we have this curve in the low back. But when you're moving your pelvis, you kind of like flatten it. Let's do 2 more like this. And then 1 more. Nice. Bring your feet closer to your glutes. And now we are going to slowly lift up as far as we can. And then we are going to lower back down. And then we are going to lift up and then lower down. You have the option to lift your arms up and overhead, but you don't have to. Okay, this is just optional. If it feels good, why not? If it doesn't feel good, don't do it. I would like you to enjoy this workout. And then 2 more like this. And then 1. Bring your right foot, right ankle in front of your left knee and left thigh. Keep this shape. And now we are going to take this whole shape side to side. Have your arms down by your side. And then bring it back. And now we are going to stretch. You can actually bring this whole shape towards your body. Now here you can use a belt or a flex band, even a towel. You can stay down with your chest as well, or you can lift it up, however you feel more comfortable. And now we are going to switch. So now you are going to bring the left ankle, left foot in front of our right knee. And then we are going to take this shape side to side. Very good. And then one more. Bring it back. Take this shape towards your body for a good stretch and just hold it. Hold and breathe. You can stay up with the chest or you can lay down. Very good. And now we are going to separate our feet hip distance apart. Bring the right knee towards your chest and then pull it towards your chest a little bit closer and make sure that you're pushing your low back down against the floor. And then now we are going to switch side to side. You have the option to lift your chest off the floor if it feels good. If it doesn't feel good, again, don't do it. And then we're gonna do one more. Beautiful. Have your arms overhead, arch your back. Beautiful, take a breath in. And then as we exhale, we're gonna sit up. And then we are going to finish our session today with some side bending. Now you have the option to sit with your legs crisscross or straight out in front of you. Now we are going to have one hand down by our side. We are going to soften this elbow. The other arm goes up. We're gonna stay here, and the only thing we're gonna do here is we are going to rotate our chest towards the mat and then back sideways. And then again, rotate your chest towards the mat and then back sideways. Very good. Okay, now we are rotating the spine. Now we need this movement in our everyday life. So definitely practicing this will make your life easier and less painful. Let's do two more here. And then one. Come back up, and now we're gonna do the same on the other side. Lift, and now rotate the chest. Come back sideways, and then rotate the chest. Come back sideways, and then just keep moving. Find your rhythm. And then two more. And one more. Come back sideways. Lift all the way up. Interlace your fingers above your head. Look up. Take a breath in. And then as you exhale, lower your arms down by your side. And thank you so much for being here with me and moving with me. Now, if you liked what we did, please like the video. Comment it where you were watching from. I would love to hear from you. And subscribe to my channel now to support me so I can make more videos just like this one for you. I hope you have a wonderful Monday, and I